be fair to end it with just one donut. Had to go for the loop and a single little drift there. How was it? Was it everything you expected?
You are watching the Iron Ridge Reserve YouTube channel.
All right, while mom's away, we're gonna do a really quick burnout. You wanna do a burnout or a donut?
No.
That was a donut, so you heard it here first. We're gonna do a quick donut while mom's away. We're gonna jump in here, get harnessed up, and do a quick donut, and see if he likes it. All right, let's take you in there. There you go, get in there, big dog. There you go. All right, you gotta get in the passenger seat. I don't think he speaks English. What do you want, Bubba's? You dada brum brum. All right, we'll go. Let's get you in your seat and then we'll go, okay? All right, sit down. You gotta sit down. There you go, good job. Oh, we're set. Now let's get strapped up and I'll take you with us. Let's do it, Knuckles. All right, we're gonna make this short. This little man wants a donut. Say nothing for a donut. That's good enough for me. Okay, Bubba, we gotta put this harness on. It's very important to keep you safe. Right here, right here. Okay. It's very important that you don't tell mom. Okay, come on, get out like this. There you go. There we go. Yeah, put it right here. Put mine on too, just in case the wife sees. She knows that at least we tried to be safe. So we live out here on 18 acres in North Texas, and I'm gonna take my son for his first official drift here out back. See if he likes it. Done, we're gonna do a drift, buddy. So let's go. A little bumpy till we get to this back pasture back here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's hold the button. Turn traction control off. Turn it beep. Get her in first. Engine's not even up to temperature. This is spicy, just cold rev, cold burnout. You ready to go? What do you think? You ready to go? Okay, here we go. So hit it. 3, 2, 1. Say nothing if you're ready to go. Good enough for me. Oh man. We got ourselves a wheel man. Oh man. Dad. Oh. Alright, that's just enough for dinner time here. Thought we'd have some fun. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And catch you on next video of Iron Ridge Reserve. Thanks guys.